Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel. If it's your first time here, I do talk a lot about entrepreneurship, business credit, making money online. And today is going to be no different. I'm going to be talking about why you need a YouTube channel. I'm going to give you an update of behind the scenes of what I got going on. And then hopefully it'll help you get started. So I just want to show you how you can take a YouTube channel and do one thing and pretty much have several different streams of income based around one channel, okay? So before I get started, I want to let you know that I am no way, form, or fashion an expert or a guru or anything of that nature. I'm so serious when I say I'm just like you, and I just feel like the only difference between me and you is maybe that I'm sharing information, okay? And so hopefully I can plant some seeds with you. You can take it off and you can do this stuff better than me, okay? That should be your goal, to do this stuff better than me. You see what I'm doing and you could take it to the next level. I'm not going to get into different aspects of it to go deeper to show you like I'm focused on making money online, business credit, when you can be focused on something that has more attention. Your numbers can be higher and you can get more income. But anyway, let's get to it. Here is my dashboard, or YouTube back office. Simply create your channel and you click on YouTube Studio, and this is the outline. So you can see here, this is my last video I posted talking about why I joined Tradera. You can see the ranking by views in comparison to my other posts. You can see my channel analytics. I have 4,400 subscribers, plus 416 in the last 28 days or so. You can see what my revenue is right here. So, you know, my revenue is normally somewhere around there, but it took a dip when we started going through all this stuff going on. So now my numbers are kind of going back up. But if we just go over here and look, let's go actually just go to click the channel analytics. And over here, once again, you can see the overview for the past 28 days, okay? Some of my numbers did fluctuate because I actually, for the first time, started running some ads to different things, but really it was that free PayPal money video. I don't know if you caught that or not. So that's why that format was like that. I was actually testing some things out with that. So anyway, with that being said, you can see here, if I scroll down, what do I want to click on that I can show you all? So, right here. So we got overview, reach, engagement, audience. Was very interesting is you can see when I posted a video, you can see when it peaks. Right here, if I click on reach, it'll show the, you know, the impressions I had. So I had over 190,000 impressions in the past 28 days, okay? So out of those 190,000 impressions, 5.2% people click through. And then I had 23,000 views, and then I had 14,000 unique viewers, maybe like different people that hadn't viewed my stuff before. So that's very interesting. And you can come down here, you can see traffic source types. So like I said, I was running some ads. So I had YouTube advertisement, YouTube search, browse features, suggested videos. So, you know, 190,000 impressions is a lot of eyes just to kind of see, all right? So engagement. Once again, these show like my best videos to give you the information, let you know, okay, what I have the most engagement on my videos, my watch time, the top videos by end screen, which ones are getting clicked on the most, okay, my top playlist, things of that nature, audience, okay. So I'm gonna get to the facts and I'm gonna get to the numbers and stuff in a minute. I'm just showing you what all of this data and all of these analytics are good for you to know how to market and what type of product to have and know who your customer base is. See right here, I see that most people are on later in the evenings between 6 and 8 and 9. All right. So, and I'm recording this video late. I'm probably gonna post this video late just because I was having trouble with my computer, but that's neither here nor there. Anyway, you can see that most of the people that are watching are not subscribed. Okay. Most of my the people that are watching are males. Most of the people who are viewing are males. And most of the people are between the ages of 25, 34, then 35, 44, 45, 54. So I have these demographics that allow me to see, you know, who I can market to, when I need to be targeting people, when I need to be popping on, maybe doing lives or different things like that. And if I am running ads on my own channel, then I know what type of demographic that I'm working with, okay? So you can see in the past 28 days, my estimated revenue is about 343, okay? So I want to show you something about why it's so big to be consistent on this platform, okay? So you can see if I do lifetime, all right? I posted my first video in May of 2018, so it's pretty much been 2 years, okay? But if you look, I posted a video in May, then I posted 2 in June, and then I posted 1 in July, okay? Then I didn't post anything in August or September. I posted 1 in October. I posted nothing in November, December, or January. I posted 2 in February. Didn't post anything in March. Posted 1 in April. Okay. Then I didn't post anything in May, June, July. But then I started saying in August of 2019, what happened was I applied to actually get not funding. I applied to get actual affiliate marketing with NAV that I'm partnered with now for business credit, and I'll show you that, okay? But they denied me because they said I didn't have enough traffic or I wasn't consistent enough. And I said, you know what? My job is to be consistent. You have no business not creating at least 1 video a week, which is very minimum in the YouTube world. But to begin picking up any type of traction, 1 is like a little starting point, but you want to do several videos a week, if not several in a day, 3 to 5 minute videos if you can. With everything that's going on in this algorithm, that's going to be the way that you kind of bust through, okay? Short and quick videos until you actually get monetized and you do longer videos to get your ad checks. But anyway, you can see it wasn't until August of 2019 when I started taking it seriously. So it hasn't even been a year between me taking it seriously. I just showed you here, how long it took me. I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos in a span of over a year. It took me over a year to make 8 videos, about a year to make 8 videos. From April to May. So about a year to make 8 videos. That's horrible. I should be making more than 8 videos a month, okay? Or somewhere around that frame. So that's why I say for me, I really didn't start to August 2019 when I started getting serious. I started doing more real estate deals and doing business credit stuff. So I was just talking about my experiences, okay? And you can even see here the actual just the checks that we're getting. I just really started, I'm still new, so I really just started getting monetized. You can see that, right? So this isn't that much, okay? But you can see the videos that are actually doing numbers, right? So let me show you. Out of this lifetime, we say for 2 years, you want to be technical, I have a YouTube channel, I made 2,000. But honestly, if I look at the last 90 days, I made almost half that allotted amount in the past 90 days, okay? So that just goes to show you, when you start being more consistent, you're seeing me post videos, if not once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, 4 times a week. It just depends on how much I can get things out. I'm trying to work on getting a better system down. But the main thing is to make sure that I'm posting and being consistent about posting, okay? So that just goes to show you that's one stream. So we can just go past the past 365 days, $2,000, okay? So could extra $2,000 help you just from creating content? Sure. Well, let me show you something else. If you go to my actual page here, and I'm gonna tighten this video up in a few minutes. I'm not gonna make it too long because I know it's been going on. So just go to my last video once again, while I was talking about Tradera. So what's powerful about this is I'm actually helping people. My goal is to help people, give them information that could maybe be beneficial to them. So that was my goal with the business credit thing. But as you start to do YouTube, you realize, oh, this is an income stream. So you want to do things that work towards the algorithm and you getting paid, just to be honest. So even with this, I was just doing some challenging myself to do some stuff because I don't normally promote stuff in that manner. But this was about Tradera. Boom, if somebody signs up, that's a form of income I could receive from that. Okay, I got stocks that I told you about, stocks with Doe, stocks with Webull, stocks with Robinhood. Just from putting free stocks up there, I've been getting free stocks, and I've gotten several $100s just from doing that. Okay, Doge is another good referral app. Chime is another good referral app when somebody gets a deposit. Free business credit ebook. If you haven't got it, get it, because I'm getting ready to take it down and work on putting another one, and I'll put a price tag on it. Okay. But even when I do the free business credit ebook, guess what? I have affiliate links in there with NAV, okay? And maybe with some website service builders and things like that. So I end up potentially getting paid there. Consultations, $30 for 30 minutes. book it now because the prices will be going up with that as well. Okay, so I got t-shirts and hoodies, so boom, I got that, you know, as well. I've received free stock. So just right now I've showed you that all I'm doing is on YouTube, which is one stream of income. Now I got trade error here too. I got stocks, right? So you can put that lump all in one, but we'll say Doe, Webull, Robinhood. Okay, we got Doge, we got Chime, we got the consultations, we got the t-shirts and the hoodies. Okay, and then, you know, we got the free business credit monitoring. I get $8 per free sign up. So that's already 10 ways for me to potentially get some type of income, not to mention the donations I've received down here at the Cash App, just for people feeling like the information has been beneficial to them. Okay, and you can come over here and look at NAV that I promote. And I'm gonna tell you why I promoted NAV, because I started getting on YouTube to get business credit, and that was my whole thing, became my whole thing. It kind of took over a lot of my mind, what I was doing, but I learned a lot. You know, we can talk about that another time. That's why it's important to have a plan, because you can burn through your money. Ask me how I know, you know, if you don't have a structure and a plan the right way. Okay, so you can see right here, just in the past few days, I've received an $8 payout from 20 clicks. Okay, but let's actually do this. Let's go to this year. It's what, January, February, March, April, May. So 5 months I've made $736 with this, and I rarely promote it as much anymore. Like I used to come on and say it with every video, like, hey, if you need business credit monitoring, because I be talking about business credit so much that boom, now people go actually click on it. And you can see 500 clicks, 88 actions, 736 payouts. My conversion rate is 17.6%. The EPC is $1.47. So anybody who's used to seeing conversions, I think that's a pretty good statistic as far as the conversions for the people that do click. The reason being is if I'm talking about business credit, I have related affiliate links to the topics that I'm discussing, and people are very interested in it, and then in turn I get a high conversion rate when somebody does click on the link. Okay, so those are the things that you can actually be doing, and you could be doing these things better than me. It doesn't have to be with business credit or making money. You can be eating at restaurants, you could be somebody who's working out, you could be clipping toenails, you could be doing hair, you could be looking at memes, you could be doing reaction videos. There's so many different things and lanes that you can be in. It's really just up to you to dive into it, you know, do your research, but don't get too stuck on it. Just be consistent is the main thing. And as you continue to grow, you get enough data and analytics to figure out what YouTube likes and whatnot. So that's pretty much my video for the day. I want to let you all know that, you know, start your YouTube channel or figure out some type of way to do something out here and make some money online. I just showed you over like 10 ways that one channel can make you money, not including doing a Patreon or something of that nature where you have private stuff for a particular group or things of that nature. So many ways to actually monetize off of one thing that you get the general concept. Okay, so peace and love, family. You need to start your YouTube channel. You need to be consistent. You need to get to it, and it's too much money to be made out here, and it's time to get it. All right, peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?